Intro to mylanguages.org. Hello friends, today I'd like to introduce you to a website called mylanguages.org. Again, that's mylanguages.org, and this is a completely free website that anyone can access. And the goal of this website is to give you some common phrases, vocabulary, some games, etc., to help learn different languages. Now, when we're working with our multilingual learners, it's really helpful if we can have some basic words that our kids speak, if we can have picture dictionaries that help us to understand each other. And it is great, this website, for all of these purposes. So I'm going to click first on Arabic here, just as an example. They have little lessons, they call them, with great visuals. So let's say I want to talk about clothing or weather words or something like that. People, clothing. I'll just choose clothing right now. As you can see, there's the English word, there's the Arabic script, and there's also the pronunciation in English, which makes this so awesome. There's also a beautiful little visual there. And so this is a great source for the words in different languages and the pronunciation as well. There's tons and tons of information there. All along the left-hand side here, there's sort of like a table of contents. So it'll give you what the alphabet looks like, what it sounds like, the numbers. So if you're trying to teach numbers, this is a great one for math teachers. There's all sorts of phrases, translations, there's such amazing stuff in here. So that one's just the Arabic one. I can go back and show you another language, just so you can see some of the different things that are available. I'll show you Japanese next, of course. I always have to choose Japanese for mine. No surprise. And then once I'm here in the Japanese, how about I just click on colors to give you an example? Again, the word color, iro, the kuroi, hairo. So it actually has it in Japanese, and again, the English pronunciation underneath there, which we call romanji, is like the English version of the Japanese word to help you pronounce it. So awesome, so powerful to have this, especially with the visuals. I'll just show you one more. So let's go and pick another language. Let's see, I'm going to choose, how about Dutch? Let's see what they've got for Dutch. Again, lots of different choices, lots of different ones here. I think I'll choose animals because that really comes in handy in our science curriculum. And look at that. Again, cat is cat, mouse, moose, horse, paard. And of course, I would ask my students if I might not be pronouncing that correctly. I have good confidence that I'm pronouncing the Japanese ones correctly, but not all languages. So again, this is where we can get our students to be the teachers and to help teach us. But this is just a great way to honor our multilingual learners, to honor what they're bringing to the classroom, and just, this will help teach us, it'll help teach other kids in the class, and it can help us sort of a reverse dictionary as well. If they're looking up something, they can see it in their first language and then also the English word for it as well. So great resource, just wanted to make sure you're aware of it. And again, it is completely free, available on the internet, mylanguages.org.